Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone location service not updating. Follow the simple step-by-step fix to solve it fast. Step 1. Turn on location service. Open settings, then tap on privacy and security, then tap on location service, then tap the app Maps, Uber, Google Maps, etc. Select while using the app or always. Turn on location. Step 3. Toggle location service off and on. Turn location service off, wait for 10 seconds, then turn it on again. This refresh GPS connections. Step 4. Turn airplane mode on, then off. Swipe down control center, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This resets network plus GPS signals. Step 5. Disable low power mode. Go to settings, then battery, then turn the low power mode off. Low power mode can pause location updates. Step 6. Check date and time settings. Go to settings, then general, then date and time, then enable set automatically. Wrong time can affect GPS accuracy. Step 7. Reset your iPhone. Power off your iPhone, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 8. Reset location and privacy. This won't delete data. Go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, choose reset location and privacy. And that's it. If location still doesn't update, try outdoor GPS testing or contact Apple support. It could be a GPS hardware issue. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next